Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this super dramatic party look, evening look, cocktail look. This is the most dramatic look I've ever created on myself ever in my life. I gotta be honest with you, I was inspired by this palette. This is from Huda Beauty. I saw this, I'm like, dead. I have to make a video with this palette. I think it's so beautiful. These are so pigmented and they come in a variety of different colors. Like, check this out. Look at the packaging. Anyway guys, before we get into this makeup tutorial, please make sure you did all the good stuff. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also clicked on the ring bell button so you'll get notified whenever I'm posting a new video. So if you'd like to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer because you guessed it, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. It doesn't mean that Fenty Beauty foundation only works with that primer, but you know, they've created a primer especially for that foundation, and since I have it, like I said, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I recommend this foundation if you are very oily, if your skin tends to get very shiny. In my opinion, I wouldn't recommend this. It's just my opinion. I wouldn't recommend this if your skin is very dry or dehydrated because it's going to look, especially if you have large pores, it's going to like absorb all the moisture and you're going to be left with just the pigment on the skin and it just doesn't look good. I have no tan on, so I'm going to use mostly 180, but then I will mix it with just a touch of 290. Let's see if it's right. It's fine. It's not the perfect match, but I guess it's fine. Beauty blender. It's been a long time, my friend. And here comes the coverage. I remember why I didn't use the beauty blender. I didn't want that much coverage. Now I have to get this foundation down my neck because it's definitely not my color. If I pick neutral foundation colors on me, they immediately turn into pink, like straight pink. And although in pictures actually pinkish foundations look very good on me, in real life it looks so weird. It's like you took a head and put it on my body. I like to apply the foundation even though I'm about to do a very dark eye, and I would definitely have to start normally with the eyes because you know you have fallouts right here, so you don't want to start it all over with the base. But I'm just that kind of artist that's being inspired after I have my base on. You know what? I'll apply it a little bit under my eyes. Jesus Christ, can you guys see? Like it acts like a concealer. Why am I acting like I'm using this for the very first time? Guys, I hate to admit it, but I'm losing my eyebrows. Like you see in here, I'm losing like a whole lot from here. I don't understand what's going on. The skin looks very good. It looks uniform. It's like flawless, you know? Now, I would completely lie to you if I would tell you that, oh, it doesn't even look like I have foundation on. It does look like I have foundation on, but it's nothing like, it's not the first thing that you see when you look at me. Oh, look at her foundation. No, it's like, oh, you know, she's got some makeup on. And I'm wearing my strong contacts. I have some light ones that I could wear during the day, and I have some really, really strong ones so I can see when I do my makeup. I think that for the very first time on my channel, I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer. And this one is from Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter. I received it. Why not try it? You know what? Let's just... My God, guys, I'm losing my eyebrows. I didn't even know that's a thing. I'm going to start by applying a lot of black. First, I'll start with this Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil that I'm going to use in my waterline. also at the base of my lashes, between them. My God, it's gonna take me forever to get this off. I don't mind about that mistake that I did in here. Later you will understand why. With a Sigma E21 brush, I'll take just a matte black eyeshadow and apply it on top of the black pencil that I've just applied at the base of my lashes. Then I'm just gonna smoke it out. Now with the clean brush, well, at least I'm trying to spread this black, but wow, no fallout. And I worked like, you know why? That eyeshadow primer, that just, let me just show you treasure. Huda Beauty just launched these amazing, cute little palettes that I just can't get enough of. Guys, look how amazing these are. I am, wow. So I'm going to take this color right here with my fingers. Look at this pigment. I'll take a clean blending brush. This one is 231 from Zoeva. And I'll grab this color right here. Sorry, this one. And apply it in the crease. Clean blending brush. I'll take just a little bit of that black. I want it to be nice and smoky. Then I'll take again this Sigma E21 brush and apply some more black, but right at the base of my lashes. I need the base of my lashes to be super, super black. From the same palette, I'll take this color in the middle, apply it right here close to the inner corner. Now I will take this is a highlighter. This is the Diamond Ball Out Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And this is so beautiful. And apply that highlighter like right here. I'm going to finish with the black situation and then we're gonna clean this mess. Now I'll take a small brush and just smoke out the line. I bet that a lot of you are like, is she serious? Like, is she really doing this makeup look? Yeah, I mean, why not? Now I'm going to clean everything. I'll apply this Clinique Apricot Corrector. This is the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer, but the color is Apricot. I am a bit blue, so this is going to neutralize that. Go on by applying some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium, and then slowly spread it with the Beauty Blender. Oh my god, this is too light. Oh my god. So I've been using light medium in, you know, most of my videos. What a huge difference it is when you spread it with the Beauty Blender than with your fingers. So with the Beauty Blender, I don't know if you can see, it has just huge coverage. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This foundation sets so well. Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. And this angled brush, I think this is 139 from MAC. I'll apply some of this bronzing powder on my forehead as well. Bronzing powder also under this eyeshadow on the lower lashes. I just feel like it has more sense when you apply some bronzing powder in there, it just blends beautiful. And also in here, I'm taking this highlighter in How Many Carats from Fenty and apply it in the inner corner. I guess it's not that bad, this makeup, you know? Did you see how my mood completely changed? I believe in the process, but sometimes, you know, I'm trying new things that I would normally never try on myself. It's not that I get scared. I'm like, this is not me. This is not working. But I'm glad I actually like it. Climax mascara. Tell me you don't think this is sexy. Is so sexy looking. Of course, you won't able to see anything of what this mascara does to my lashes, but I can tell you it definitely gives volume. Too Faced Chocolate Gold bronzer because I want to give my skin some overall bronziness. I'm going to use this blush from Dior. This is in 136. And for highlighter, I'll use the How Many Carats from Fenty Beauty. This is the kind of highlighter, guys, you either love it nor you hate it. It wouldn't grab on my skin. Oh, now we're talking. This is crazy. So guys, this looks like it's like wet skin, but I want you to understand that it has big chunks of glitter that makes it look like it's wet. Oh my god, you guys. The more you apply this, the more like wet and glossy it looks. I'm loving this. Okay, now for the lips, I'm going to use MAC Strip Down. I don't have a self tan on, so it looks much different on my skin now. I spread it with my finger. This is a Dose of Colors lipstick in No Shade. So now I'm spreading it with a brush. This is just a 219 brush. Great lipstick if you're looking for this kind of a very warm undertone kind of a lipstick. Then on top, I will apply the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk lip gloss. So I'll put it on my hand and then with my finger. Let's apply some of this highlighter onto the neck. Okay. I find that this highlighter works so much better if you apply it with your fingers than if you do it with the brush, at least for me. Alright guys, I don't know how you feel about this look. It's just makeup. I'm actually going to go take it off immediately after I film this because in just a few hours I'm about to leave to Palma de Mallorca for a client, me and Alex. So I'm very glad that I'm not leaving by myself this time. I don't know where to tell you you could wear this makeup. Wear this makeup if you like it, if you feel like it, if it represents you. The products that I was totally like shocked about how good they are. I just want to review a little bit some of the products that I was using because some of them were absolutely fantastic and they're worth if you're looking for those specific products. So first of all, Fenty Beauty foundation. Very good foundation if you're oily and if you're looking for full coverage foundation. These minis from Huda Beauty, guys, these are not expensive. If you are a purple lover or a reddish tone lover, or she has green, she has blue, like if you are looking for those specific colors, get this. It will worth every cent. One product that completely blew me away is this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. Do I have to mention that this is not sponsored? Just want to put that out there. This eyeshadow primer from Fenty Beauty, I was so impressed. Normally when I apply the black eyeshadow, like it falls everywhere and then it just doesn't grab the product as it did this time, and it's thanks to this. So if you want your eyeshadows to be more pigmented and if you don't want them to move from your eyelids, try this. The two highlighters from Fenty Beauty, How Many Carats, and the other one, Diamond Ball Out. The Diamond Ball Out is, this one is literally silver. So this can be used as an eyeshadow. I don't know how this could be used as a highlighter, but How Many Carats, you either love it nor you hate it. There's no in between. The first thing when you're gonna apply it, you're gonna be like, oh my god, this is chunky. This has literally chunks of glitter. But the more you apply it, it looks like wet skin. I don't understand how, but this is how it does. I mean, look at it. I got it all, I have it all over my skin. My favorite gloss in this world is Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. There's no doubt. When she came out with Diamond Milk, I was like, no, there's nothing that could compare with the Gloss Bomb. Well, let me tell you that this is the next level gloss. It's not better than Gloss Bomb, it's just different. And just the shine it gives to the lips, it's just, I mean, it's so beautiful. If you've already tried the Gloss Bomb, you like it, you're gonna love this one as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been using a lot of new products in this video. I would set the makeup normally, but I'm going to take it off in a few minutes. I'll just take 100 selfies and that's it. I truly hope that you guys enjoy this look. It's not an ordinary look for me, you know, not at all. But I love how it turned out, and I am sure that there are people who love doing their makeup like that. And this channel is for makeup lovers. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button and the ring bell button next to it so you will get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.